Ah, the allure of off-road. Did you know that off-roading and overlanding is actually one of the fastest growing outdoor activities here in the United States? Of course, that's probably because of the unique sense of freedom and adventure that it can give you. Of course, in order to enjoy off-roading, there's a few basic things that you need to know. Like how to navigate certain terrain, like rocky hills and mud and sand and different obstacles along the way. Not only how to navigate them safely, but how to enjoy the adventure while you're out. Then, of course, there's different gear that you need to bring, or at least consider things like um, basic tools for repairing any problem that you might face, or recovery gear in case you get hung up. And then, of course, what a lot of people forget is taking care of themselves. You got to make sure that you've got plenty of snacks and drinks and water, and that's right, even toilet paper, because we have basic needs. Now, for those of us who have been enjoying this sport long before it actually became popular, we actually have a list of all these things that we bring with us, and we have that experience of navigating just about any terrain that we're going to hit when we go off the beaten path. But if you're new at this and you're just starting out, these are questions that you have and things that you need to know. So, me personally, it is something I look forward to at this point almost on a daily basis, is getting out off the beaten path. And I've been all over the country in several different types of obstacles, including horrible weather or things that were completely unplanned. And I've enjoyed every second of it. And I want you to enjoy it too. So, putting a video together with the basics of what you need to know is pretty much my specialty. And this channel here at GP for Beginners is filled with all kinds of handy information, little tricks and little pieces of gear and inexpensive ways that you could truly enjoy this hobby. But you know what? After 3 years of doing this, we've decided we really needed to take this one step further. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, it's one thing to simply point out and say, hey, bring this with you, or hey, this is what you're going to face. But truthfully, until you get the opportunity to go out and experience it firsthand for yourself, it's all just words and it's all just fluff, right? So that's why we here at GP for Beginners have worked so hard over the last few years to give you the advice necessary to avoid the most common pitfalls and the mistakes. We've even put together an in-person, hands-on training course that so many people have signed up for and taken advantage of to get over that hump of their very first time going out. There's a lot of nervousness and even a slight tinge of embarrassment that goes with joining a group for the very first time or going out for the very first time because you don't know what you're doing. And everybody who has had the opportunity to take part in it has absolutely loved it. And I've kept in touch over the last couple of years. Some of you guys have even gone on to have some amazing adventures that confidence level we helped you build up never would have happened had they not joined one of our Jeeping for Beginners Off-Roading 101 classes. But every day I get emails and comments and stuff both from the website and from my email that I broadcast on here on YouTube at yasmarproductions@gmail.com of people saying, man, Josh, you really have that patience and that ability to make me feel comfortable doing this. I wish that I could come out there to the Las Vegas area and that you could show me this hands-on, but I live in Florida or I live in Canada. I even had one guy say, man, I wish my whole group could get together and learn this from you, but we're down in Costa Rica. So it got us to thinking, what if we were able to take the hands-on training class and that experience of going off-road for the very first time, but be able to do it worldwide? Well, I'm not going to lie. I looked into what it would cost to fly to Costa Rica or to hold classes out in Florida or up in Canada or so on and so forth. And truthfully, the expense behind it would end up translating into a cost of the class that I don't think that anybody would actually find worth the efforts. So, the best way to reach just about everybody who wants to take advantage of this, of course, is online. But that has some hurdles in and of itself. Hurdles like, how do you translate the experience of going up and over a rock over a video? Or how do you translate the experience of feeling the torque and the power of four-wheel drive low over a video? Well, after brainstorming for just a little bit and listening to the comments that I was getting and the emails that I was getting, my team and I sat down and we spent about a week going over the options and trying to figure out how we could help everybody. And you know what? We figured it out. We actually think we have figured out how to translate a hands-on off-roading 101 class that you would take your Jeep on and put it together in a virtual program that you can experience from the comfort of your living room. That's right, a truly revolutionary concept of putting a physical training class into an online learning platform. How exciting is that? So we started looking at web development. We started looking at course development. We started looking at specialty type of camera gear. And we started looking at locations and different ways to be able to translate this. And we actually got excited because we do believe that the cost is actually going to be worth the experience. And that is something that nobody else has done. Believe me, we actually scoured the internet and looked. Nobody else has put anything like this together, but we have. And I'm here to officially announce that we have launched it. Our online off-roading for beginners 101 class in a virtual platform is now built and put together on our website at jeepingforbeginners.com. Now, we knew that we'd still have to cover a lot of the basics, okay? So we are still going to cover basics like what you need to bring with you and what you need to be prepared, and a lot of things that most people, believe it or not, they don't think about and they don't consider before they just kick the vehicle into four-wheel drive and head off the beaten path. Even our in-person class has to cover the same topics. The virtual part of it, however, that's where it really got tricky, but we're so excited to say we think we got that taken care of too. So the class schedule that we put together is a total of 10 modules, and in each module there are multiple different lessons and videos that we're going to cover for the very specifics and the nitty-gritty and a lot of information that is not available on YouTube or even here on my page. The stuff that you truly need to learn before you take your vehicle off-road. So we've put the entire course together. We're still in the process of filming a lot of these modules and a lot of these lessons, and we're still in the process of completing the course. But you can check it out right now at jeepingforbeginners.com. We have the full schedule completely laid out. The course goes live on May 5th, 2025. And up until then, we actually are offering huge pre-sale discounts so that we could fill up those seats prior to the class launching. But one thing is there is a limited number of seats to be filled during the pre-sale. So we gave you a month to be able to check it out and decide if this is something that you want to participate in too. Once it goes live, every week or so, you're going to get a new module. You're going to get new information because I'm spending the next 3 months of my time with every daylight hour that exists, out filming and putting this education program together in such a way that it'll be 100% worth the time and investment in order to get the education that you need. So, folks, I don't care if you're in New Jersey, in Florida, in Alberta, Canada, if you're down in Sydney, Australia, Costa Rica, Germany, doesn't matter. If you want a world class education for beginners to eliminate that nervousness, to eliminate that little bit of embarrassment for the very first time, and to avoid the most common mistakes that are made by everybody who goes out and does it for the very first time, you need to check out this online class. That's jeepingforbeginners.com. Check it out. At least do the research. I promise you, you're not going to be disappointed. So, like I said before, I've been doing this for more than 30 years. I had to start somewhere too. And when I started my journey, I really wish, looking back, that somebody had taken the time to explain a lot of this stuff to me. What does this do? What does that light mean? How do I avoid this mistake? Can I make it over that obstacle? These were things that I had to learn the hard way. Well, since overlanding and off-roading is currently one of the fastest growing outdoor activities that people are trying to partake in, then let's avoid the major mistakes. Let's avoid people getting hurt. Let's avoid major damage to these expensive machines that we're using to go out and enjoy this freedom. Let's get the education ahead of time. Now, we still offer our in-person classes on the weekends, and we are booked out for the majority of the next month or so. But there's always new dates, and there's always updated information on the website for the in-person classes as well. So that's two ways, folks, two ways that you can take advantage of my experience and the mistakes that I've made off-road to learn for yourself the proper way to do it. I want you to start your journey off on the right foot. I want you to enjoy nature and to enjoy the great outdoors and to enjoy the four-wheel drive that you've invested a lot of money in. And I want to make sure that that enjoyment has a great foundation and a great education to back it up. So check us out, jeepingforbeginners.com, folks. There's two ways that you can learn, in person or online, worldwide. So the allure of off-roading has tickled your fancy. Well, it's been tickling mine for years, and I am so excited to welcome you into the family worldwide of people who enjoy the sport of off-roading and the sport of overlanding. Listen, folks, once again, my name is Josh. This is Jeeping for Beginners. If you have any questions whatsoever, hit me up. I don't bite. You can shoot me an email at yasmarproductions@gmail.com. If you have questions about this video, questions about your rig, questions about off-roading, or questions about the online course that we just launched this week off the website at jeepingforbeginners.com, shoot me an email. I promise I will get to it just as quick as I can. In the meantime, folks, please stay safe, happy jeeping, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Yeah, no, that's what I was trying to say. It's a 25% discount. I know, it's right there on the website. Just put your email in the little spot that, right, exactly, right there, right beneath the video. Just put your email in, click the button, and that's it. You get the discount code, you get 25% off. Well, awesome. Absolutely. You are absolutely welcome. Listen, if there's anything more that I can do for you, really? Oh, you know what? I really appreciate that. But yes, absolutely. If there's anything more that I can do, don't hesitate to reach out. All right, my friend. All right, I'll see you over there.